Hey!
Welcome to
Tytus LiWen, teach you cha-cha!
Today we have a special routine just for you, and we put this together because we want you to work on variety of timings
and spirals and locks.
Yes. Okay, let's go! Footwork.
We commence with the weight on the left foot. Now close your right foot and then switch the weight back to the left, step side right. Now you're gonna close the left foot, switch your weight back to the right, step side left. We're gonna do that again. So close the right foot, switch it to the left, side right, close left, and then right and side left. Now we do a time step, so we gotta do a ball change back, right, replace left. Now it's a forward lock, so it's gonna be right foot forward, hook that left foot behind, forward right. Step forward on the left foot and you're gonna do a spiral. So you're gonna swivel all the way around. Now that right foot is gonna do a ronde all the way around, that's it. Go back on your right. You're gonna close your left foot and forward on the right, completing a grapevine. Now you're gonna hook the left foot behind, forward right. You're gonna do that again. Hook the left foot behind, forward right. Now you're gonna be on that right foot and do a spiral on that right foot. Left foot's gonna do a forward lock. So we're gonna go forward and hook behind and then forward, and we're ready to do it all over again. Yes. Time. Ing. So we're gonna start off on that left foot. We've got 4, 1, close, 2, and 3, close, 4, switch and side step on 1. Same timing again. 2 and 3, 4 and side on the 1. Now we hold 2, rock back and replace 3, forward lock. 4 and 1. Forward on that left foot on 2, spiral ronde 3, grapevine 4 and 1. Hook behind on 2, forward 3. Hook behind 4, forward 1. Now hold 2, fast spiral on 3, finish it off with 4 and 1. Hey, timing done. With music. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1.
You want to do more cha-cha with us? And then check out this video right over here.
Top 10 steps in cha-cha.
Also, subscribe to our channel.
And we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Whoa, mine is way better.